Technicians are the heart of your workshop operations. They're working hard every day to ensure vehicle downtime is kept to a minimum. But are you providing them the best tools to mitigate their own downtime? How many small, tedious tasks are eating away at the minutes, or more realistically hours, that could be better spent working on units on a daily basis? With the EMDECS Technician Portal, you can remove or reduce a significant portion of these. The system tracks live hours, tasks, and part usage. It helps techs identify inventory on-hand levels and indicates where parts are located. It removes messy handwritten ROs and unnecessary piles of paperwork. The EMDECS Technician Portal allows techs to automate redundant tasks and utilize their skills where they're most needed, all while feeding information back to everyone and anyone who needs it in real time. Give your technicians the right tools to ensure on-time repairs with minimum downtime. EMDECS helps you manage your shop operations at your fingertips to stay competitive in the industry. Visit brightorder.co.uk to schedule a free demo with us today.